Hello, my lovelies. Today's graze for your soul are these healthy apple donuts. These are such a fun snack to make. So first we are going to core our apple. So I'm just going to use this apple core. And then I'm going to turn my apple and I am going to slice the apple into about 1/4 inch slices. And I like to use red apples. I think red apples probably taste the best. And now I'm going to arrange these on my cutting board. And I'm going to use some Greek vanilla yogurt. And I just want to spread the vanilla Greek yogurt on my apple slices. So we just put it on there and it kind of looks like frosting. This is gonna look like our frosting. And on my other two, I'm gonna spread peanut butter. So I'm just showing you two different ways that you can make these healthy apple donut slices. And then for my vanilla yogurt apples, I'm going to use these organic rainbow sprinkles. I really recommend these organic sprinkles. They taste really good. And on my other one, I'm going to put some strawberry granola. And on the peanut butter, I'm also going to use the strawberry granola. So there we have it. We have our healthy apple donuts. So much fun for kids. My kids absolutely love these and they thought they were so much fun. And they were so surprised they look like donuts. So I'll see you next time for more Graze for your soul. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you never miss a video.